So we've been reading and writing and drawing about peace. Now it's time to do some creating of peace signs. So a peace sign is a symbol that represents peace. I want you to practice making a peace sign on your whiteboard. So if you don't have your whiteboard, please pause me and get your whiteboard and whiteboard marker. Okay, now let's look at what a peace sign looks like. So it starts out with a circle like that. So go ahead and start by making a circle. You want to make it big enough that you could add some things to the middle. And I'm going to switch colors because this color seems like it's kind of running out of ink a little bit. Okay, so you make your outline of a circle, and then down the middle, starting at the top, so you put your marker on that top line, you're going to go straight down and bump the bottom line. So it looks like I cut my circle in half. Imagine if it was a cookie or a pizza and you're dividing it into two parts. Okay? And then you're going to do two diagonal lines. So you're going to think about this is the middle of this line, right? So go to the middle and you're just going to make a diagonal line out to the side here. And you're going to do the same on the other side. Start here and make a diagonal line going out that way. That's a peace sign. Yeah, so go ahead and practice that a couple times on your whiteboard. So remember, start with a circle, line down the middle, diagonal line, diagonal line. That almost looks like the foot of a bird, doesn't it, if you're drawing a bird? Okay, so I'm going to do it one more time. It's a circle with a line down the middle, and then a diagonal line and diagonal line like that, like the foot of a bird. Okay, so that's a peace sign, and this represents peace. It's a symbol where people all over the world might see this symbol and know that that means peace. So we're going to create peace signs. Okay, so coming up on Monday, there is a holiday called the International Day of Peace. And it's a day when people, international means all over the world, nations all over the world. These all nations celebrate peace on that day. So that's why we're doing so many peace things now, because we're thinking about that day. It's a really beautiful holiday to celebrate, Day of Peace. What could be better, right? So we're going to create peace signs. So here's your challenge. Think about you need a circle, a line, and two lines. Now, you can build a peace sign with maybe building materials that you have inside your house. Or you can go outside in nature and use materials from nature to build a peace sign. You're going to have to get creative. You could use marbles or gems or rocks or sticks, something really cool to make a peace sign. Okay, I'm thinking about different things that I can use to make my peace sign. Haven't quite decided yet, but I have a few ideas. So I'm going to stop making this video and go make my own peace sign. I'd like you to stop watching the video and go make your own peace sign. You might want to bring your whiteboard with the peace sign drawn on it so you can look at it to help you remember what a peace sign looks like. And I will share a picture of my peace sign right under the video so you can see an example of the kind of peace sign you might want to create. But you can be as creative as you want and create any kind of peace sign. Use any kind of materials you'd like. I am so looking forward to seeing these because peace is one of my most favorite things, and so is art. So combining those two things is a really fun project for me. And I hope that you enjoy it too. You get the chance to be really creative with this one. Have fun.